In real estate, there is a lot going on when you buy, but few people take cognizance of the fact that it is not always about just putting in the offer to get the property. There are other things to be mindful of, and in negotiating, there are subtleties that you need to consider. And these are the subtleties that will get you a better deal all round. As agents, we pre-qualify our buyers. We pre-qualify our sellers. But as a buyer, you need to pre-qualify the situation. What I mean by this is the seller a distressed seller? Is the seller an emotional seller? Is the seller stressed? Are there any extenuating circumstances that will prevent the seller from making a decision when you present an offer? Are you going to offend the seller with your offer? Is there someone else that needs to be in the decision-making process? Are they going to need legal advice? Do they need more time? Or are they highly motivated to sell? These are things as a buyer you need to look at and consider, and ask your agent the situation of a seller prior to making an offer, because it will help you in your negotiating. Happy investing.